video, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to prevent leaks when joining a male and a female threaded fitting. Some people just use Teflon tape. Some people use just joint compound, and sometimes you'll find leaks. What I do is I use the Teflon tape and the joint compound. I'll show you how I use it. I know some of you are out there like saying, "No, what the heck? No, I don't do that." That's fine, but I've done it this way for a while now, and I haven't had a problem. So check it out. I wrap the Teflon tape around like all but maybe 2 or 3 threads at the end, a couple times around, and then I'll take the joint compound and I'll just put it on the ends. Nice little coat. Get it right up to the Teflon tape. And then I'll just put them together like so. Snug them in till it stops. So just give it a nice little snug, because you don't want to strip the threads off the fittings. And then once you snug it up, you'll be fine. I'm not using this, obviously. It was just for demonstration purposes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below. Check me out on Patreon. Please make a small donation to support this channel. I greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching.